Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool Dishwasher Water Level Float. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Water Level Float. The Water Level Float tells the dishwasher when it's full of water. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's stuck or damaged in the down position and it's overfilling, or in the up position and it's not filling at all. In order to change the part, we have to take the door apart. First thing we're going to do is open up the door and use the Torx 15 driver to take out the screws that hold it together. We're just going to remove the 4 screws on each side so we can take the front panel off. Once you have all the screws out, we're going to lift the door up, and the front panel is going to drop down. Once you have it free, you can just lift it off and set it aside. Now that we have the front panel off, we're going to take off the access panel. We're going to use a flathead screwdriver to take out the fasteners that hold the access panel on. Just turn them and pull them out. Once you have the fasteners out, we can pull the access panel out and set it aside. Now that we have the access panel out, we have access to the float switch assembly. We have to remove these 2 covers. So we're going to pull out on this one right here, put some pressure on it while we press the tabs down to release it. We're going to use a small flathead screwdriver. We can do the other one. And we can see the water level float right here coming through the bottom. And we just need to push it over to the side and then release it. Now we're going to open up the door and put a weight on it to hold it down. Then we can pull out the lower rack. Once you have it out, you can set it aside. Once you have the lower rack out, we can reach in and pull the water level float out. Here's the old water level float next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new water level float in, all you have to do is line up the stem with the opening and push it down into place. You want to make sure you push it down and lock it in so it doesn't come out. Once you have it in, we can put the lower dish rack back in. All you have to do is set it on the door, push it back into place. Once you have it in there, you can take the weight off and close the door. Now we're underneath, we're going to put the covers back on. You want to make sure that the float stem came down and is sitting on the lever. Once you have it there, just close up the covers. And then we can put the access panel back on. We're just going to lift it up into place, push it on. And then we can line up the holes and use the flathead screwdriver to put in the fasteners. Once you have the access panel on, we can put the front panel back on the dishwasher. To put the front panel back on, we're just going to line up this tab on the door with the bracket on the frame on each side. So all you have to do is line it up and set it in place, then push it forward and lift it up and pull the door open and use the Torx 15 driver to put the screws in. Once you have the screws in, we can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.